Good morning, Abington Aliens. It's time for our Star of the Week assembly. And it's been very exciting in school this week. I've seen lots of different bubbles doing exciting things, from making their own hoodies, chocolate tasting, making their own chocolates. Been lots going on, clay pots being made, lots of fantastic learning and lots of fun being had. So it's been really exciting in school, and we hope that those of you that have been learning at home have been having lots of fun as well. We've got lots of certificates to give out, so I shall work my way through and see who have been Abington Aliens this week. So take some post-it notes off them so that we can actually see. I'm going to start with Harvey. Harvey in Miss Wetton's bubble has been an aspirational alien this week, and he's also been determined. Now this is a bubble that have been sewing their own jumpers and hoodies, and they've been making some fantastic designs for a shirt creation. And Harvey's been doing a really good job of that and helping his friends as well. He is full of laughter, joy and humour, which makes Orange Bubble a great place to be. Thank you for making us all smile. So well done, Harvey. That's a lovely thing to hear this week. And then we have Dan, who has been an expressive alien. He has collaborated with his peers to create a range of enterprise activities. He's asked questions to make sure his ideas were acceptable in the current situation, making sure we're keeping everyone safe. And Dan also took on an additional challenge by working with Mrs. Young and his friends to bring to life Forest School through a whole school display. And he showed that he is determined. He has a great attitude towards learning. So well done, Dan, in Year 6. And then we have another Year 6, Lauren Hill. Lauren has been awarded Star of the Week this week for being an independent, determined and expressive alien. Well done, Lauren. She displayed her imagination and motivation whilst designing posters and ideas for Year 6 project. She always works well independently and creates outstanding art pieces, and this week she's been able to work collaboratively in a team. Well done, Lauren. So Year 6s are currently trying to raise some money for an end of year celebration like they normally do. So it's a little bit different this year with their enterprise. So if you keep watching our Facebook page, you'll see some competitions that you can enter on there to help raise some money for the Year 6 leavers celebrations. So our next one is for Sonny. Sonny has been trying really hard with his challenges and has been completing them with little help. So well done, Sonny. You've been a really determined alien. And the next one is for Mrs. Boucher's bubble. And Henry has worked so hard this week. He's got Star of the Week for listening well and really focusing on his learning. His sight reading of green and red words in read writing is super speedy, and he's tried really hard to remember finger spaces when he's writing, even self-correcting when he's realised he's forgotten them. A determined and aspirational alien. Well done, Henry. And then we have one for Charlie. Charlie has been completing his reception challenges with little help, so well done, Charlie. You've been a really independent alien. And we have a certificate for Xavier. Xavier has been using lots of English language clearly and has been initiating lots of conversations with his friends. Well done, Xavier. You've been a really determined alien. And we have one for Ella. Now this is Ella, who is starting Little Learners in September. So it's one of our special certificates for somebody who's not even at Abington Heath yet. But Ella has been trying really hard with Challenge 1 and 2 in her transition pack, and she's had a really good go at both of them. So well done, Ella, a true determined alien. We look forward to seeing you in September. And this one is for Bethany in our white bubble. Bethany first joined us, she was quiet and she was reluctant to join in, but she's become a lot more confident. And yesterday she really excelled herself in her times table test because she got 100 out of 100. So well done, Bethany. We're really proud of everything she has achieved. And we have one for Hattie. Hattie's been a determined alien this week. She's tried really hard to share and take turns with her friends. Hattie has been working really hard in phonics and is recognising lots of her set 1 sounds. She had a good go at writing this week and is writing the initial sounds in words with little adult support. So well done, Hattie. And our final certificate is for Liliana. Liliana has been an expressive alien. She's put on a music concert for her friends and shown great self-confidence. So well done, Liliana. So this week we've got lots of certificates for children in school and a few for children at home. And next week I want to really see those home certificates increase, with some children sharing their learning with us, showing us what you've been up to at home, please. And next week we're really excited because we're welcoming back some of our Year 4 children. So on Monday morning we'll have lots of new smiling faces joining us, which makes me really happy for the end of term. We've got lots of exciting things planned in the next couple of weeks to bring us to the summer holidays. So make sure that if you're meant to be in school, you're here, because if you're not, you're going to miss out. And if you're at home learning, make sure you're checking the Facebook page and the web pages, because we're going to have lots of exciting challenges for you to take part in. Have a lovely weekend. See you next week.